Selecting a product from a million options can be hard, and that's why I'm here to help. Hi, I'm Sumita Majumdar, and today I'll be talking about WeCool Nylon Braided Charging Cable. This cable comes with a length of 3 feet. It's a 3-in-1 charging cable. That means you get an iOS port, a Type-C port, and a micro port. Because it is nylon braided, it is very resistant to twisting and bending. It comes with a lifespan of 6,000 plus bends. So that means it's very strong and durable. I love how this product allows you to charge 3 devices simultaneously. How convenient is that? Because it comes with TPE jacket, that means it's very safe as well. That ensures that this product is going to last you a very long time. I think it's a great travel companion. That's all for this product. I hope you have a great shopping experience. Bye-bye.